Hello, it's been a while. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. Hope this video finds you well. So let me quickly get into it. What happened today and all that. So yesterday, June 19th, was Juneteenth, I guess, and there's usually a bank holiday in the US market, so there was really nothing. So okay, price just did this. These were equal highs from June 18th. From second high was from June 18th, right? So price was just ranging up until this is today. The first candle of today is this. So the Asian session to London cleared these highs. Same with this did it earlier though, but it's still the same thing. So back to what I was saying, it's just the same thing. So, but these lows of June 10th, the non-trading day, were just stacking, and so it stacked it earlier. So, I want to show something on the DXY. Sorry, Spain and Italy is playing at the moment, so I keep turning if I hear the commentator increase his voice because I feel like something is about to happen. So, when I came in the morning session, I didn't really do too much on the XY. I was just looking like price was still, should I say, as you were. It's just okay. What I've already put my like what I've already seen. Similar inverted kind of behavior here. These lows when DXY cleared it on 18th, right? And then 19th was just ranging up to this point. And then price started reversing. So I think around here, 7 a.m. New York, I was looking at it that okay, what's price most likely to draw to? These two highs. I wrote here, and in the main recording, you see how I wrote a lot on these points, like what I was trying to see. So, initial buyers I had today was sales for NAS and ES, which was just to clear these lows and most likely this low of June 18th because it just stuck out at that moment in time, which is same too on ES, not just NASDAQ. So now I'll change back to C Trader so I can evaluate what I saw today and things I did today, just in general. So this is the high of the London session around 3:30 a.m. Same to ES. 3:30 a.m. there was this spike. So when I came in the morning session, there was news by 8:30 by the way. Jobless claim or unemployment claims or stuff like that. The news came out. So the first target I had in mind for the New York morning session was these lows. The lowest low of the day of June 19th. That was the non-trading day, which is this one. Because if you look here, wait, am I tripping? Okay, it's this one actually. It's this one. This one. Um, on ES, you see how it's cleaner here. Like the lowest low of June 19th is the here, but it formed like equal lows. So going into the morning morning session, oh, players about to fight. Oh, okay, it's chill, it's chill. Italy is not winning this game. They are not gonna get a point. I mean, Spain is winning. Why am I always compressing my words, making me speak like an American? I don't know. So back to what I was saying. So let me just on the 4 hours, right? I was looking at this area. The first area I wanted to see, okay, before it sells, just like as a routine, I wanted to see if this IPA will hold, but it was still early on. The 1 hour candle around 8 a.m. New York, price closed below it. I was not like, okay, that means my initial bias for sales is most likely going to play out for the majority of the day, like the major movement of the day. So, which was also, if you watch the main recording, if you've not, please watch that first. You understand what I mean. So, back to the lower time frame. So you can see price giving all these movements coming down, coming down. So 2 minutes. So am I saying so too much? I don't want to draw a line. I don't want to draw a line on the chart. I don't know. Let me just draw the line for clarity purposes. So this line is the low of, yeah, Juneteenth, right? Which is also here. So just standard protocol. Initial news of 8:30 didn't really do much. Just use this candle to retrace into this 1 minute IP. Started selling down. Was just coming down. So I was just observing price. As soon as price clears this low and formed equal lows with the lowest low of June 19th, I was not looking at price. Wow, I should have done this review after this game. What a miss from Ferrer. And Jose Perez, the national team. Wow, I didn't know it was the national team. You know they picked him. Man, back to what really matters. 9:30, right? 9:30 came. Cleared those. Didn't get to those lows, but NAS did. So when price started reversing, I wanted to see something. If you notice in the longer video, I first put like a Fibonacci kind of tool here to see, but I was just like, man, it's clogging up the chart. I'll just use the new day's opening gap since it aligns with it as the inversion. So basically, what I wanted to say is that if this is just a seek and destroy, whereby it has seek this sell side, it destroyed it with this sell move, and now it's seeking another buy side. What I wanted to see was this in this 942 IPA here should hold price to take it up again on that level. Then I'll now be comfortable targeting buy side, right? That's what I had in mind. If not, most likely it's just correcting itself to stop people out that are trying to take a continuation move here, which could play out sometimes. Was like I've said in many of my recordings, once price has cleared the liquidity, I don't like putting in a trade to continue that trend because most likely it has already filled an inefficiency or cleared the traded below or above liquidity. So it's just like what is price seeking for again. So that one is always less likely for me. So I was looking at this place. Price came, cleared these short-term highs. This IPA inverted it. Price came to fill this. Close below. This could actually be an entry. I was waiting for 10 a.m. because of the nature of the day. So now this is 1 minute. So as soon as price this, I said that okay, the sell move is most likely. So I was just looking for my entry. Oh, I'm trying to zoom this thing well. Okay. So I was looking at this. Mind you, this the 1 minute. I was just looking for IP or inefficiency or something like that. Didn't get here, but this second move, there it there's an inefficiency from here to here paired with this volume imbalance. So I was not trying to measure the 50%, but I was just like, man, I don't really like the 50%. And I put the entry. As I was trying to put the entry, I was trying to put the entry here. Price just started tanking downwards. Like I was in the process of putting the entry, and obviously the allowable stop here is like 10 points, but I would rather do 15. But I didn't want to enter on market price, so I just wanted to use the volume imbalance to enter just to follow my rules and all that. But price left. So price left. I just said okay, that one has gone. Price now sold down immediately to come and clear the this 18th, this low that sticks out, the low of 18th. That's a Monday. Is it Monday? Tuesday, sorry. So until as price cleared the low, I wanted to see how it behave again. After just same protocol again, this IPA price inverted it. So now it's time to look for an entry. But I didn't see anything that had an IPA below 50%, which is just my rule. And it was already getting close to 11 a.m. and I didn't get an entry today, but everything I was pointing out, well, I don't know whether to be happy about that, but it's just cool though. There's always opportunities in the market. Probably this week, I'm done my exams this week, so next week I'll be more locked in, always having all these subsequent distractions and all that. So, same protocol on ES. The thing is, this is valid because I was doing that this volume balance, but it's just the same thing though. This is the early one that I could have taken or others would have taken, which is still valid, but I just like waiting for that extra kind of move, and which has helped me a lot to avoid some kind of fake out trades, because if I'm always early and stuff like that, I could be early here and get stopped out. And obviously it's not bad, but it's just not the way I do my stuff or stuff, something like that. Let me just put it that way. So basically that's just it for today. 13 minutes 30 seconds. So let me change to the DXY. DXY. Look at all of 10 a.m. I was looking for buys on DXY so that I can trust the sales, but it wasn't even buying up, but it was just giving you the confidence. How do I put this? This is 10 a.m. right? Sold down a bit, and then this change of price here, which is a 0.12%, is enough to send price to wherever your target is. So that's what I'm always trying to. And obviously, it's not just you are already how do I put it? You've already like pre-analyzed it. Okay, buy side is the most likely draw on liquidity, which I marked out this and this swing high. And now look, the afternoon session, prop price there. So basically that's just it. I think I can stop this now. Good night.